There's literally millions of books out there. But if you're looking to change your life and be more efficient and actually get more out of it, I'm going to give you my top 3 books that I suggest you read immediately that has changed not only my life, but also millions of other people's. So let's take a look at these 3 fantastic books. And if you stick around, I even add a 4th as a bonus at the end. So let's take a look. First up on the list is a book that I know helped millions of people, me included. It's Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. It's written by T. Harv Eker, and if you haven't heard of T. Harv Eker, I suggest you go look him up right now. He talks in a fantastic way about changing your beliefs around money and what's actually holding you back. You can find this as an audiobook, of course, or you can read it in the normal text form. But it's a wonderful book, and what he does in a really brilliant way is that he combines you reading and actually getting the knowledge with declarations, meaning you actually have to do things and declarate your intentions. You also get actionable steps in the book, meaning that you're more likely to actually go ahead and do the things he talks about. This book has helped me incredibly. It's one of the most important books that I've ever read, and it changed my life literally overnight, and I know it can change yours too. So check it out. Next up on the list is a book that also changed my life. But disclaimer, all of these books changed my life one way or another. But this book changed my life in quite a different way. The first one changed my financial life and how I thought about money and what was holding me back from getting the results that I wanted. This book is called Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life by Dr. Wayne Dwyer. Fantastic human being. In this book, he breaks down the Tao Te Ching, which is the 2,500-year-old codex written in China. It is 81 verses, if I'm not mistaken, for how to live your life, and it is as relevant back then as it is today. It's a wonderful book that challenges you to think outside the box and actually understand that nothing is what it might be or what it might look like from the beginning. It's a wonderful book. Go read it. Next up, if you think that working long hours is not for you, or if you want to change your way you work and operate in a quite different way, this is the book for you. It's the 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. It's a fantastic one as well for how to actually go over your lifestyle and your work to work less but get more done. Over the last years, we all transitioned into working from home. This book is written pre that era, where you had a hard time working from home. But the teachings and the learnings that he brings up in this book are fantastic, even in our day and age. He talks about how to automate tasks and how to set up your business, even if you're an employee, in a completely different way that frees up your time and lets you get more done in less time and live a freer life. It's a wonderful book that, when I read it, literally blew my mind. And the 4th and the bonus one is this one. It's our guide for you if you're looking to start a coaching business and get that free life we were talking about and actually have the impact you wanted. Coaching is a fantastic profession, and it's one of the best things I ever encountered doing. Helping people and having an impact for people's lives in a way that you can control in times when you want to work, and actually getting to choose how and when you work is a fantastic benefit of it. And having the impact, of course, on people's lives is the most fantastic thing. I started coaching because I am on a mission to improve the life of 10 million people before 2024. And the way I want to do that is I want to help coaches start and grow their businesses so they can impact more people. It's rings on the water, going out and having a giant impact in the world. And if you are looking to start a coaching business, or if you're running a coaching business and want to have more impact, get more clients coming in, and just make it run smoother and grow, go pick it up right now. It's a step-by-step guide for how to build your coaching business and how to set it up in a way that works wonders. It's the exact way that I built my business and that I helped countless clients build theirs. Over the last decade, I worked with over 2,000 people. So guys, go pick it up. And till next time, you have some reading to do. I suggest you go at it right now. If you have any questions, any thoughts, any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.